Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Cortana search bar is not working or not opening on your Windows 10 computer. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by right clicking on a blank area of our taskbar. So just right clicking on it one time, you should see an option for Task Manager. You want to left click on Task Manager here. So once the Task Manager screen has loaded, you want to go up and left click on the File tab, and then left click on Run New Task. You want to type in PowerShell, and then check mark inside the box to create this task with administrative privileges. Left click on OK to confirm. So once we're in this administrative Windows PowerShell window, I'm going to have a couple commands I want you guys to paste in. So I'm going to have them in the description of the video. So the first one, we're going to just go up to the top bar of this Windows PowerShell screen. Once you've copied the command, right click on this top bar, left click on edit, and then left click on paste. Once you pasted it in, hit enter. Now that you've done that, we're going to run our second command here. So again, go up to the top bar, right clicking on it, left click edit, and then left click on paste. Once you pasted it in, hit enter. This will take a couple minutes to run here, so just please be patient. It will take some time, and once we get a little bit further along, I'll jump back in with the narration. Okay guys, so once we have the blinking little line next to System 32, you guys should be good to go. So I would suggest closing out of here. Restart your computer, see if it's resolved the issue. Now if it hasn't, you're welcome to try other methods like using the Media Creation tool and boot your Windows 10 computer off of that utility and go through some of the troubleshooting options that I've displayed in other tutorials on my channel. So I do hope it was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.